Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered how top chefs make every dish perfect? It really starts before the first ingredient is even chopped. True professional cooking isn't just about fancy techniques, it's about developing a confident and patient mindset. You'll want to embrace every step of the journey, understanding that even mistakes can teach you valuable lessons. It's about approaching each dish with intention and a genuine willingness to learn and improve, making every meal a masterpiece in the making. Becoming a pro in the kitchen really means having the right equipment, not necessarily a lot of it. Investing in just a few high-quality tools, like a super sharp chef's knife and a good, versatile cast iron pan, will truly transform your cooking experience. But remember, the most crucial ingredient of all is always fresh, high-quality produce and proteins. These simple elements are the foundation of any truly great dish, setting you up for success every single time. To cook like a professional, focus on mastering just a few key techniques. These foundational skills are far more important than memorizing hundreds of recipes. Begin by perfecting your knife skills. Precise cuts make a huge difference in how your food cooks and tastes. Then, really understand how to control heat. Learning when to use high heat for searing or lower heat for gentle sautéing will unlock a world of flavor and texture, truly elevating your dishes. One of the biggest secrets to professional cooking is simply tasting your food constantly. As you cook, take small bites and adjust the seasonings as you go. Think about adding salt, acid, or maybe a touch of sweetness in layers, rather than all at once. Learning to balance flavors that sweet, sour, salty, and bitter harmony will truly elevate your dishes from good to outstanding. This continuous fine-tuning is what makes a meal truly memorable. Finally, becoming a truly professional cook, like any skill, requires consistent practice. Don't be afraid to try new recipes or experiment with ingredients you haven't used before. Every time you step into the kitchen, it's an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace any mistakes, because they teach you valuable lessons that will make your next dish even better. Keep cooking, keep experimenting, and you'll naturally become the confident home chef you aspire to be.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.